these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. Okay guys, so I just want you all to know I have not been uploading videos because there's been so much going on in my family, and I feel like you all are my family. So there's been a few deaths, 3 to be exact, in the last like 35 days, y'all. So I am just getting back into doing these DIYs. Y'all pray for my family, and I love you all. And I want you all to know that the reason I'm here is because the doing these DIYs, it helps bring peace for me. Some people would ask, why are you doing this right now? But it does bring peace. I don't want to sit here and continue to, be in a bad space. And I went through this last year with my husband, my brothers, and my grandmother. So guys, I don't want to go back to where I was. So I'm trying to move forward, and I'm trying to thank God for what he has given me, and that's time with the people that I love. So I'm grateful for that. And y'all, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we're going to make some sconces. I've made these sconces before, but they were silver, and I'm going to show you how I do them in gold. And we are going to use some gold contact paper, and I got this from Amazon. We're going to use the same these same styrofoam circles. I got these from Hobby Lobby. I just cut them in half, and I already put use the knife to cut in a circle where the lights are going to go. And I am going to go ahead and link the video to the other one if you all need to know how I did that. So guys, we are going to use some of the gold auto trim, this car trim, and I got this from Amazon. We're going to use our crystal diamond wrap, and I got this from Amazon as well, and a piece of wood that I got from Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut out our chrome piece, our gold piece, to put on top and the bottom of our styrofoam. Okay guys, so this is how it should be looking. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn it on this side. We're gonna glue our wooden piece on, and this is where we're gonna use our command strips to adhere it to the wall. All I'm gonna do is put the command strips, and let me just show you a little trick, y'all. So if you just bought some command strips, you can reuse the command strips to at least the one part of it. So I just reuse the backing and I put on new ones to like extend the amount of command strips I have. So these are going to be old, and then all I do is add the new ones onto the other side. So that gives me like an extra 2 to 4 command strips. Okay guys, so this is how the sconces turned out. I think they turned out beautifully. I'm loving the gold, y'all. I'm starting to get into this gold for real. Like, I really am thinking about doing something in my house, you know, gold and another color. So, you know, that it is what it is. But listen, y'all, do not pay attention to this back wall. I am in the process of redoing this craft room. I'm not keeping these sconces. I just made them, so I just hung them in my craft room to just show you all how it looks hanging up. So please disregard this back wall. Don't talk about me. So guys, if you like what you see, then you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.